Hello everybody, this is me, John Salazar. Right now I'm going to be developing this video to describe my neighborhood, some neighbors, my yacht, and my family. The first thing I want to say is that in front of my house there is a mechanic shop and a washer. For this reason my block always stays full of noise, and the cars that arrive to the washer all the time is horning. But at the same time, that is good because we feel more protected. The block always is full of people and cars. In the second slide, I'm going to be talking about the fighter neighbor. This neighbor is called Miladis, and she fights for all. If you touch her treat, if you talk a lot, she fights for all. But she fights a lot if you talk back about Diomedes Diaz, Junior Team, or Gustavo Petro. She's so fighter. How you can see, he right now is painting his house for Christmas. And this is better. In the third slide, I'm going to be talking about gossipy neighbor. How you know, all the neighbors can miss this kind of people. It's a gossipy neighbor who keeps in touch with the window all the time. He doesn't miss one event that happened in the block. In the next slide, I'm going to be talking about my job. I work as a diesel mechanic in a coal mine, fixing enormous off-road mining equipments, which are in charge to extract the coal of the air to produce energy for all around the world. And the last one is my family. My family, I consider that I have a wonderful family. My family is formed by my excellent wife, two sons, and a beautiful daughter, and me. This family is always full of love. We stay together in all the situations. For example, in this case, we are celebrating the degree of my older son, who is here with me in the car, and in this other occasion, we are celebrating the 15th birthday of my daughter. Okay, thanks for watching this video. Bye and blessings.